might some of our decisions might be wrong. Intermediate now, people will say that this is the very important stage. I thought that is a good step. And when you left the intermediate and you studied in another, better I need to do the civil services coaching after graduation or before the graduation. If you want to choose the same category, then you can. But is it right or wrong? I don't know, right? Ouch. Hi people, welcome back to our channel IAS Preparation on Wheels. I'm Kranti. First of all, I want to say thank you to each and every subscriber for subscribing to our channel, and we have crossed the 100 plus subscribers very recently. Today I came to here. It was a very greenery place over here, you can see. See, my bike has been parked over there. So to talk with you people, so I came over here. Now weather has been also very clean and it was like very pleasant over here and very cloudy. So I was also a little bit stressed now. So I can people who are interested to start their journey after their intermediate. So like this is the best video. So here I start my experience. I will share my experience. Might some of our decisions might be wrong at some time. So because already I am in a 10th class, so I am not good at decision making at that time. But even though my heart says that you better go to this option, so I thought that is a good step because you already know I am being very confused at that time, at that moment. Better I need to do the civil services coaching after graduation or before the graduation. But luckily my uncle really helped me a lot. That he said you better go now only because your ultimate goal is like to serve to the people and you want to settle soon, right? So you better choose now. Why to go for long and after the graduation you might think into another. Better why that you do now only. You will get better basics also. Foundation will be very good at this stage only because intermediate stage you already know that +1 and +2, that is intermediate. It is very foundation for every course. So definitely according to my uncle, I thought I agreed to his explanation regarding that. So I went and chose that career. See, first thing, two things are in my mind when I am starting my career planning. First thing is like whatever I do the stream, whatever I take the stream, so it should be like service oriented. Like mostly I love to do service. Like I want to serve to the people. So that is the one factor. And the second factor is everyone has this factor. I want to get settled soon. So that is the only one reason I started choosing civil services as my career, because here we can serve to the people, at the same time we can settle soon, like we can get easily job after the 21 year or after the graduation. So that is the reason I choose the civil services as my career option. So here I can serve, so I can get settled soon also. So that is the reason I chose it. If you want to choose the same category, then you can, but few things are need to keep in mind while choosing this career, because it's very long process. If you are not achieved or succeed at the age of 21 years at very first attempt in civil services, then again it will take long journey, and it is not like it's too much long. If you cracked in first attempt, then it will be like very easy. From intermediate, my preparation is only one reason, that is I want to be in a consistency manner. And second thing, like I don't have any other career option. Like I choose only one thing, that is civil services. So why to waste the time? Many of my friends and many of my family members also been suggested me that do another stream. If not civil services, then what? I said only one thing, I am interested in that. However, if I get through civil services preparation, if I shoot for the star, at least I will be on the moon, right? Finally, that is my career planning. So I took the stream as HPG. That is wonderful group. Literally, I love that group. I don't know why, but it is very cool subject. Yeah, I really have fun with that subject. Many people will not love the subjects what they choose, but I started loving them. I don't know how, but I started loving them. History, it is like a more fun of stories, archaeological sites, everything related to that. And where it comes to public administration, knowing about our Indian administration, and he'll also know about the organizations in public administration, that's for sure. And geography, regarding our geographical features also, we'll study in geography. I don't like maths, physics, chemistry, but sometimes it's like fun. Okay, that's maths, physics, chemistry, but I don't want to take it like for long time. So what I decided is like I'll start taking history, public administration, geography, such that I'll be in this category only. I will not shift into another category. So that is the only one reason I took HPG as my stream in intermediate. What I'm trying to say is please choose institute according to your taste and according to your facilities, according to your financial status. Okay. And next thing is like don't go for faculty, which faculty it is providing. Don't go that, because coaching centers are like, it is a direction. It shows a direction, and it gives enough knowledge. That's it. See, this is the background I am facing with. It's very nice. I think this is very cool. Yeah, I don't know why. Oh, ouch. Okay. So I'll be discussing about the degree students. See, degree students also will be in this category. Where they will be, the colleges will make them like this. What you call squeeze everything and throw out. You want to convert this squeezed thing to this type of tree, then definitely choose a right direction. Yeah, people are very conscious nowadays. They know what to do. Intermediate is the stage that shows you both sides of the coin. It shows the nice things and bad things also. In intermediate now, people will say that this is the very important stage. Please read and focus on it. Get good marks, then you will get better colleges. Then after going to engineering or like degree college or like any other college, they will say, better if you do very well here only, then you are going to settle and you are going to have a good placements. So please read well. After degree, they will say nothing. It's on us. Either you need to do vlog like me, or else I think I probably talked to each and everything. First thing, like if you want to study civil services from intermediate, then go for an institution which are providing the integrated coaching with intermediate and civil services coaching. You go for that. You browse it. You'll search in Google. Then definitely you'll find good colleges are there. But I studied in Hyderabad in Narayana Institute of Civil Services. So I took the history, public administration, geography as my stream, and I started preparing with simultaneously intermediate and civil services. For me, intermediate stage is the best. If you enjoyed your intermediate, then comment below. Okay, let me know that who loves their intermediate. Talking to my degree career, integratedly there also, like history, public administration, geography, with civil services preparation in that same college. But for me, I want to explore lots of things, so that is the reason I came out of there, and I chose group like psychology, sociology and marketing management in Nizam College. It is autonomous to the Usmania University. So, and I studied degree also. I started preparing simultaneously. And when you left the intermediate and you studied in another institution, like another college, yes, you might got that out, right? So nothing is here. I want to just explore. I want to know new. The reason I came from that institute. It is a hostel basically. So I don't want to be in a hostel. So that is the reason I want some like freedom. I came out from that. People has two doubts right now. Either they want to take coaching from intermediate. Is it right or wrong? Right time at wrong time. Yes, it's a right time. It is right also. So people who are like aspiring for civil services from intermediate, then definitely it is a right time to take. Like students who are completed intermediate, for them also there is integrated colleges. The degree colleges are there. With the degree, they will be teaching civil services. You can go for that also. And some people are asking in mail that what is your experience? Is it worthy to take from intermediate? Yes, definitely I can say it's a worthy, and not only worthy, yaar. It is literally it changed my life. It groomed my life also, I can say, because many things you gonna to learn there. Because your age is like I think you are in teenage when you properly study intermediate. You will be knowing the many major things, mature things you will be knowing in that time only. Like we will be dealing with international relations, history, our India ka kya economy kaise chal raha, matlab how our Indian economy is going. Many things you are going to see now. So the mature things are been there. You will think like like mature person from that. So that is very good, which is very important for civil services examination. After the intermediate, what group I need to take to being in this category only? I don't want to divert from it. So simply answer for you people, any group is okay, but only one thing is that you need to prepare simultaneously, like same parallel you need to prepare for the civil services as well as you need to prepare for the degree. So it depends on you which group you like. Even if you take the B-commerce and like Bachelor of Arts, Humanities, Science groups, whatever, but only one thing is that you need to prepare. Engineering also, medical field also you can take, at the same time you need to prepare parallelly. Okay, that is only one thing. Someone has mailed me that what is the experience from your intermediate, that is civil services coaching and intermediate together. Did you have fun or totally you studied? Because civil services is all about reading all the time. Seriously, I think you who has mailed me that you might be studied in integrated colleges. So I want to answer this. I really enjoyed a lot. At the same time, I read. I really studied and really prepared for that. So it's like very fun. At the same time, it's a great moment. Yeah. I still remember my friends, and still today I will talk about them, and I will speak to them also. Sometimes I really feel missing of my intermediate friends. So I feel very happy be in this career and category also. So if you are like more things, then I cannot help you out because it's a pura jungle hai, dekho. It's a pure jungle, you can see. And but there's a road over here. So we can find. That's all for today. So probably next video will be coming soon. I will try to keep every alternate day, every video. But only one thing यार, बाहर जाने के मौका ही नहीं. So we are not having any opportunity to go out because outside situation is very danger. So we can't go. So I can't help in that. I thought to explore more and I can say like many things to you, but it might not possible now. But in future I'm going to do very big rides with my bike over here, my beast I can say. So my expressions might not that much of entertainment, but yeah, I'm still trying. Let me know what type of thoughts you have and what type of videos you want more. Like my intention is to make the videos is like to entertain you, as well as you need to educate, as well as you need to know the right direction towards the civil services also. Videos might be not that much of high, but yeah, I'm trying bit good. So please support me. And what else I forgot to say anything? I think no, but still I hope you like the video. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Definitely share to your friends if it is useful and helpful to you. And I'll be coming with another video. Next video I'll be coming with introduction of UPSC. Definitely that will be like better than these videos. Compared to these videos, that will be somewhat better. I cannot assure that it will be awesome and blasting, but it will be better than these videos. And I will be meeting you in the next days. Bye bye. Till then, take care, keep loving, let's explore, have fun and be happy.